guys are verbally abusing these women, and I will not stand it! I have captured the rebel leader, and I will treat him the way rebels are treated. Please. 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 Have mercy, please. Please. I beg you. Please. Please.
Please.
Please.
Please. Please.
Have mercy. Please. 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 Please.
Why are you taking my daughter to? Leave my daughter. Where are you taking her to? Stop talking. Where are you taking my daughter to?
Udemba, does it mean you don't know your king anymore? This is your king, Iwajeleja. The king that rules the land and owns everything in the land. Omu Iwajeleja. Your daughter has found favor, great favor. Yes, great favor. You are highly privileged with your wife because your daughter has everything I need for a wife. So I want to add her, so that she'll be one of my wives.
Hey! And you know my way. You might get me here. And the man on the more say so. Hey!
Mama.
Hey!
Hey, Mama.
Hey! Oh, this one. Oh, now.
Okay, so take it for the bride price and other things. You come to the palace. It will be taken care of. Oh, man, on the more say so. On the more say so. Drop it. I can't see what I love and
what is this? What is this?
So shall it be. I decree and so shall it be. I know go one your fool. Oh, what a wonderful wife.
Here's a Ajilija, 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 here's a Ajilija, 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 Ojubo, Ojabo, Ojabo, Iyobo, Ajilija, Ojubo, Ajilija, Memo, Ojabo, Ojabo, Iyobo, Ajilija, here's a Ajilija, 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 here's a Ajilija, 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 Ajilija.
Ifeoma, is your mother around?
What is it? No, what is it?
Hey, Efukwanuma.
Ogini.
Atogo Kwanuma. Udemba, his men, took my daughter away from me just now. I am finished. I am finished. Where is going? I am finished. I am finished. I am finished.
Stop crying. No, stop crying. No. You live long, Your Majesty.
Izuma,
Your Majesty.
I want you to teach Uremma everything about me. You know what I mean.
Yes, Your Majesty.
Also, teach her how to carry herself as a queen. Okay?
Okay, Your
That
Majesty.
is what I want you to do.
Okay, Your Majesty.
I have no message for you, young man. I summoned the elders and they did not show up.
What are you saying, Olo?
I know the elders will gather later today. And I believe we will deliberate on the matter.
Oh no!
Udemba, what is it? Udemba,
okay. No.
Udemba.
Hey!
The
worst has happened.
What is it, Udemba?
Ajirija and his boys just took my daughter. Hey!
Udemba,
hey!
I have heard you.
What do you mean by I have heard you?
Udemba, I have heard you.
Hey!
The elders will meet later today. I believe we shall deliberate on that issue. So go and come back tomorrow.
Look, Ono, it is a shame that all of you will stand by and watch that man commit such evil in this land. And nobody is doing anything about it. Hey, it is a very big shame. A slap on your own face, Ono. Hey. Okay.
Hey. There's nothing I can do. I am helpless.
You are welcome to my palace. And what are both of you doing here? Come get out of my sight! Lala. Okay, now I'm going to go now. No, Naija. Oh. You are beautiful. Your beauty is something else. Or is it? That has been my style. I'm always a lucky man to see beautiful things like you. And you know, to use it and make this palace great. You see, it's beyond description. Beautiful. And you see, that is why another man like you can ask your father. The more see so. And that is why I want to have you here. And now,
What? Uremma! Take him to the palace. Ah! King Ajilija, it shall never be well with you.
Amen. Amen.
It's okay. It's okay. Oh, God.
Ikenna, good afternoon. What is wrong with you?
Nkoli, Are you the only one who have not heard that Ajilija forcefully took my wife away from me? And all my plea to Onowu and the rest of the elders to help have my wife back fell on deaf ears.
What is wrong with that man?
I don't know, but I know what to do. I know what to do.
Where are you going?
I don't know. I know what to do. Ajilija, I cannot live with the shame of having another man forcefully take my wife away from me. I would rather die.
Hey! Mary, this side. Are you sure? Let's go.
Is Ikenna? Ikenna! Hey, Chimo, Ikenna. Hey! Let's go. Oh no!
Oh no! My children. What is it?
We were going home. We heard someone screamed. We got there and saw Ikenna lying dead.
Yeah, so it looks as if he stabbed himself to death.
Hey!
Ajilija, I've heard you, my children.
Oh no, he's lying dead though. Can't something be done about it?
My children, this issue is beyond you. The elders will meet this evening and we shall deliberate on this issue among so many other issues. Go home.
So we should go.
Go. When will this stop?
Udozo, what happened today I have never seen in my entire life. I and my wife were inside when we heard Urema screamed and we ran out to know what the problem was. We saw the palace guards dragging Urema out of the compound. We tried to inquire from them to know what the problem was. They didn't even talk to us. Then we followed them to the road. And behold, the unimaginable happened.
Yeah. Hey, Udemba, I think it's high time we invited the police into this matter. Eh? Ajilija is biting more than he can chew.
Police.
Police.
It's a police.
Yes.
Police cannot do anything in this matter. They fear him. Ajilija is nothing but a beast. Hey! I wonder why the gods allow this kind of tragedy to befall us. What have I done to deserve this? My only daughter, my only child. They have taken away my daughter. Hi! I'm cooking, Sinoro. Who knows? Who knows? Who knows? Who knows what is happening to her? Yeah. Oh. Find a solution to this. Remember. Hi! Oh my God. Is Onowu aware of this?
Yes. He knows. I went to him and he promised to summon an emergency meeting of the elders. so that they will go and beg him. And he asked me to come back tomorrow.
Just like that? Just like that. They are not going to do anything. That man is a beast. You're talking as if you don't know who Ajilija is. Hey. Eh? Hey, Ajilija will be mad. Hi,
Mama, you're back.
Yes. What is it? If it's Abaturema, the others are on it.
My friend Uche just left her. And she told me that he cannot stab himself to death.
Hey! To Fiakwa. Ozowa.
Again.
Hey! Ajilija. Ajilija. Hey!
Urema! 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 Urema!
What is it? Why are you screaming?
It's Urema. It's Urema. Hey.
Urema.
Did you see her?
Urema.
Hey.
His Highness wants to see you.
Hey! Did he tell you anything?
Come on.
Hey. Hey.
Your Majesty.
I heard you scream Urema's name. So tell me, why are you shouting her name?
Your Majesty, it's Urema. I was with her and I slept off. When I woke up, I checked for her everywhere. I couldn't see her.
You could not see who? You could not see who?
Your Majesty, Urema.
Urema? Now, go and check for her everywhere. Everywhere! Even the gates, go and check for her! And both of you, what are you sitting here? Go and search for her everywhere! Everywhere! Look for her! Izuma, you said something. You said that you were with Urema.
And all of a sudden, you fell asleep. And when you woke up, she was gone. That's what you said.
Yes.
Now, I want to ask you this question. What were you doing throughout the night? Or where were you throughout the night that you did not sleep?
Majesty, I...
Shut up! I look at you. I put it to you that you are doing what? Committing! Neme, una neme, ne soli, una ne soli, nakwa, una nakwa. Kunu kwatuo obieze. You people want to destroy this palace with fornication. Now look at you. I've got you. And what they gonna get? Idiot.
Hey!
I'm sorry.
Take her to the cell and tie her hands. Make sure you tie her hands.
I'm
Don't worry. I will get all of you. All of you. Abomination. Igwe, this is a sacrilege. For the wife of a king to run from the matrimonial bed. Not to talk about running away from the palace. Hey! The punishment is death. Sentence on the father of the queen. That is true. Oh no, that is true. If we are metal, release your polo. Bosa, Your Highness, go and summon her parents immediately. Yes, Your Highness.
Oh, come on, move. Leave my wife. Come on,
Get back here.
Yes, sir.
If the girl appears, you arrest her.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Do you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Headmaster, if you don't say the whereabouts of your daughter right now, this air you are enjoying, you will cease to enjoy it. Speak now, or you remain silent forever.
Your Majesty, a man that stirs on the military is angry. Brushing of the water of the Dikeh made a pot and tripod on the nearby classes. But the wounded...
Shut up your mouth! Shut up your dirty mouth! Do you know the offense, the weight of the offense you have committed for not giving your daughter home training? Death sentence.
Hey! Hey! Women don't marry against their wishes. Hey! But you know, this person, are you trying to call you Guajalejo of Umungu? A rapist?
Look at this papa.
He did not say so, please.
I know you condemn me before bringing me here, but I must voice out the royal inhuman treatment of our king for his lack of control of our libido.
Hey! He's on us! Hey! Hey! I want to die here! Give me!
Man, what I speak is what I do. Now, leave her. Let me ask her a question. Woman, this is your turn. If you don't say the whereabouts of your daughter before the count of 3, you will become my wife. So I go now. 1, 2, 3. She's now my wife. Take her inside. Take her inside. Take her in. I'm going
Ma? Are you sure Urema is not in your place?
Yes, Ma. I went back to my house immediately you left.
And you, Nkoli? How come you're telling stories about someone I left in your care?
Mother, I gave her clothes to change, but I didn't know when she left.
This girl. Okay. You people can go to the house. Let me go in search of her.
Okay.
Who are you?
I'm Udozo. Udemba's sister.
That's enough introduction. Now move. Let's get to the palace.
Palace?
Yeah. Move!
Udozo.
Your Highness.
What is my name?
You are King Ajilija, Your Highness.
Yes. I am King Ajilija. And I still remain King Ajilija. The king that rules the land, owns the land and everything in the land. No more. What is it? I love my people. My people love me so much. And that is why they chose me to be their king. I love my people too. And one thing I do, I don't step on anybody's toes. And I hate people stepping on my toes. We should reciprocate this love. That is what I'm talking about. is why I called you here. So that you give me this vital information about your niece, Urema. Where is your niece, Urema?
Your Highness, I have not seen her. I don't know where she is.
Are you sure?
Very sure, Your Highness.
Yes, what I'm seeing here is a beautiful woman. You are a beautiful woman. Onagum and Igadero. I'm tired. I need it, but I'm just very tired. Maybe we'll see more. So, with that, I just want you to understand that you are useless to me now. So get out of my sight.
Thank you, Your Highness. Thank you. Thank you, Your Highness.
Heza Ajelija, Ajelija, Ajala Ajelija, Ajelija. Heza Ajelija, Ajelija, Ajala Ajelija, Ajelija. Ochubo, Ochubo, Ajelija, Mebo, Ajelija, Ojabo, Ojabo, Iyobo, Ajelija. Ochubo,
Don't injure me, please. I'll follow you. Please. Don't injure me, please. Please.
Now move. This way.
Okay. Move. Sorry.
I would have hanged you. But for the fact that you kept yourself to this age, saved you. Nevertheless, you'll be thrown inside a cell to stay with your mate. You will look at Jeleja man. Throw her inside the cell.
Heza Ajelija, Ajelija, Ajala Ajelija, Ajelija. Heza Ajelija, Ajelija, Ajala Ajelija, Ajelija. Ochubo, Ochubo, Ajelija, Mebo, Mebo.
I'm just wondering how Roma will be feeling right now at the palace.
Me too.
And the worst is that the elders are doing nothing about the situation. First was a forceful marriage. Second, her escape and capture. Lastly, the king killed her father and took her mother as the wife. I cannot imagine myself going through Urema's ordeal. I will kill myself.
My dear, may the gods have mercy on Ajoja.
Really pathetic.
Oh no. I heard you were present when Udemba was killed.
You need an answer?
Of course I need an answer.
You want me to fight Ajreja?
Oh no. What are you saying? Are you not the Onowu of this entire land? Are you not the Onowu of the land? How can you watch Ajreja commit such sacrilege? Eh?
Udozo, let it be known to you, and whoever also that wants to know, that Onowu of Umungu is helpless. Onowu is finished.
Finish, helpless.
You want me to fight Ajreja? I am helpless. I am tied to a stake. I have no defense. Ona kana anabem. Ajreja megum.
Oh no, helpless.
Anambem. You want to be the Messiah? Go and fight Ajreja now.
Oh no.
Eh?
Where are you going to?
Ona.
Are you just going like that?
Ona kana anabem.
Oh no.
Oh
no. You're just going like that. Hey. Oh no. Hey.
Your Majesty.
nobody splits or empties the ball of the wide envelope. I didn't have about trading it. That is why I did not make an open request for the release of my daughter, Izuma. Nobody cheats his colleagues. I release my daughter from that cell.
She will be released from that cell, but not until she finished teaching Urema on how to be a good win. Every win.
Igwe, let nothing happen to me.
Oh, what? I said, oh, what? Are you threatening me?
Your Highness.
No. Igwagwanaka nogi. Igwagwanaka nogi.
Igwe, let nothing happen to my daughter.
Akwanudene kalaru na mapu ozu ahụ wee bụrụ eziokwu. Nke tozuru etozu na-eji izuzu ụmụ amoosu ọkwa nnene. Cheta na agbamudene kenudene bụ n'obe mmiri ị na-anụkwa. Cheta na ụkwụ akwụ na agbagbalụ n'oke were iku na onwe aka ọkwa nnene. Akwa na ibe a ga-eme onye ọkụ ka agbawe hụ onye na anakaba na-achọ achọ ma gị delikene. Mgbazi a ga-akpụ isi ka akpụba ahụ ọnụ ịnụgwo. Agbanika yara na amado mgbada maka na ọ bụ nna mgbada nwa ọrịa. Otito ya dịla ọkwa na nna ọkwa ketere oke ana n'ịkpa onye ọkụ ka agba nwoke ma ichetegwo. Adị nna m iche ọkụ na osisi gbogbo n'ọkwa na nya kpatara iche ọkụ ji ebe n'osisi kpọrọ nkụ ọkwa nnene. Anya na anya n'enu agịrịga mgbadike m. Mbọchị ya agahụ aja ma chọwa nkịrịnka nkịta ọkwa dị nnene. My
queen, you shouldn't have run away. That is an abomination.
He killed my father before they found me. He made me go through things my heart couldn't take.
The king got married to his 26 wives like that. If I were blind, the king wouldn't have interest on me. I was truly with my husband.
It's okay, it's okay. Let me introduce myself. Maybe you don't know or you have forgotten. I am the king of the land. Do you know that?
Yes, I know.
Omunyelo government does. I am the one that chased the government out of this land. I do whatever I want. They can't even come. I push them out. And you look for some of that. Now, do you read the Bible?
I do, Your Highness. But what has that got to do with this?
Okay, okay. There's a place in that book where the Lord sent his disciples. He said to them, go, you will see a donkey tied in a particular place. Untie it. And if anybody asks you, tell them that the master needs them. No, that's what is happening here. I saw what I love. I saw what triggers my feelings. I saw what even Nelly can follow. Where someone had get it it is better you relax. Okay? It is better you relax. The man standing before you, or is a man that chased the government out of this kingdom.
Here's a Hajilija, Hajilija, Jala Jilija, Hajilija. Here's a Hajilija, Hajilija, Jala Jilija, Hajilija. Ochubo, Ochubo, Hajilija.
Smile for me now, smile. Why are you behaving like this? I saw your husband. From all I saw, he can never give you the kind of joy I'm going to give you. Eh? Smile for me now. Smile. Don't get up! Nonsense! Bring her here! Put her here now. Don't go inside. Bring her here. Hurry, let's go here. Nonsense!
No!
Bring her here.
No, please leave me! No, please! My husband!
Hey! What? Guys! Get! Go back here.
Please!
This lady has got the eye. Hey! Stars! I'm just stars. Hey! This lady has destroyed my eyes. Not the woman! Hey! My eyes, my head. You did this. You did this! Number one, you refused me having you. I said that was not enough for you. You hit my eyes with your wicked, devilish hand.
Sorry,
now I am seeing double. Okay. Now I will tell you something. I believe in this. An eye for an eye. And a tooth for a tooth. Guys!
Yes, Your Highness.
Take this thing out and remove one of her eyes.
Please stop! Please!
Nonsense!
Please stop!
And you not like one more. When I said I will come no more. Tell you I like it more. Get like it well. It's in the air. It's in the air. Hi! What about my...
God forbid. So my dear, that was how I became a one-eyed queen. Would you like to hear my own story? How I lost my bonnet? I'm so sorry. He's just a beast. He's full of evil. How can one man be this wicked? My dear, you must not speak evil of Adilija. The words have ears. If you must have a complete mouth.
Dikeh!
Your Highness.
She has committed double offense.
Please, I'm sorry.
Shut up! One, having a taste of what was served to me. And secondly, abomination. Using her left hand. Dikeh!
Your Highness.
Take her out of my sight and amputate the left hand.
Please, my king.
Shut up!
Please, my king, please. Please,
move!
My king, please.
Do you want your right hand? Okay.
So, that was how I became one-handed queen. And since then I've been like this.
So sorry. So sorry. I am known as the one-legged queen. Please, I don't want to hear any more of these gory stories, please. Gods of our land, why would you allow an evil man defile me? I kept myself all this while believing that one day a responsible man will come to ask for my hand in marriage. But that did not happen. What evil did I commit? What is my offense?
Your Highness is in his chamber. He wants to see.
You run away simply because you don't want to do what I married you for. Now listen to me. I married you to satisfy me whenever, wherever, however. So you don't have choice.
Your Highness, it was never my intention to get married to you. You compelled me to get married to you. And I'm tired.
And that is why I want to help you. Now, good. I want to help you so that you will stop running. Okay? Can you look at whatever also? Hey! I'm not one now. I am very wild. I have to hold that. I go wine is sweet. Very sweet. Why ya don't you? If I go wine is this sweet. This Udemba has been enjoying seriously. But no man, maybe he doesn't even know how to perform. Why is what is sweet? To perform it.
Ajilija! Ajilija! How dare you? How dare you?
Huh? Is this woman standing before me? Is this woman? You stand up before me? Speaking to me in that manner? You! Do you know what you're doing? What's the meaning of this? Are you mad? Or you don't have respect?
Respect! You want me to respect you after you raped my mother?
How dare you! You fool! You fool! In case you have forgotten, this is King Ajija standing before you. The king that owns the land and everything in the land. My wish should be your wish. If I desire to rape your mother, you're supposed to be very, very happy about that. Yes! In case you don't know, I was here appreciating the sweetness of your mother. Nega Soka. Nega Soka! I was enjoying myself, you just came to disturb me. Nonsense! Take this thing out of my sight. Take her to the hospital so she will die there. Yes, sir. I want her to die in the hospital.
Tonto is wicked. He's a monster.
My queen, everybody knows that King Ajilija is wicked and heartless. You must stop thinking and talking further so that you live to tell your story tomorrow.
Yes, doctor is right. Please, calm down. I was in the cell for 3 days. A cell in the palace. Even if I had all I needed, I was still in the cell for 3 days.
My queen, just calm down, please. The drugs I will give to you now will make you to sleep.
It's okay, please.
I'm sorry about that.
It's okay, please.
What? That woman regained her consciousness. No! No. This is impossible. This is unacceptable. This is unbelievable. Do you know? I've been sitting here waiting for the news of her death. I feel like going there to strangle her to death, to squeeze life out of her.
What did they do? Igwe, both of them stole from the palm plantation.
Take them out of my sight and hang them.
Heza Ajilija, Ajilija, Ajala Ajilija, Ajilija. Heza Ajilija, Ajilija, Ajala Ajilija, Ajilija. Ochubo, Ochubo, Ajilija, Memo, Memo, Ajilija, Ojabo, Ojabo.
Wow! Who is this beautiful lady? No, this is good. Bosa, go and get her for me. Get her for me.
Yes, Your Highness.
Get her for me.
Yes, Your Highness.
Hey! Excuse me. His Majesty wants to see you.
I can't do such thing. As you can see, I'm with my husband. Stupid.
How dare you? How dare you turn down the request of His Majesty, Atileta? How dare you?
In Apodala, are you mad? You want me to remove your remaining set of teeth? Eh?
Babu, get that man down! Get it down! You kill it! Kill that man! Kill it! Listen! You there!
You want to fight?
You there!
Yes. You want to fight?
What is happening here? What is happening?
We shall see you. Grab this guy. We shall see. I'll get back to him. What is happening? I will get back to him.
Reza Ajelija, 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 Ajelija. Reza Ajelija, 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 Ajelija. Ochubo, Ajelija, Memo, Ajelija, Ojabo.
Are you sure? I will get back to him. Are you sure? I will get back to him, Your Highness.
What's that? What happened?
Your Highness, I will get
You
back
cannot
to him.
get a woman I to get.
Your Highness, he challenged your authority. Your Highness, he raised.
Stop talking.
He took the knife.
Shut up! Shut up! You will answer me when we get home.
Bosa, I need that lady we saw at the estate. I don't know how you're going to get her. I don't care. But I need her now.
Igwe.
Anụmanụ gị na-egwu na ntị echiri ọnụ. Mana welu kene. Osisi na-ekwu okwu. Gwa m okwu. O Jesu na. Mwajiaka because among all the gods, because you are extraordinary among all the gods. You have given me Angole banana manda. Ese mune wangole. Na lolo ne wangole. I am grateful. Forever I am grateful. Mbadiaga. Your humble servant. And I want to present this sacrifice so that it will come to you as a sweet smelling aroma. I brought it. I decided to sacrifice it here in the tree. That whoever has the deed of this place, whatever I decree, no matter how bad or good, my dear girl, you have been wonderful. I appreciate you. And I say it again, let this sacrifice come to you like a sweet smelling. My dear girl! I will forever serve you. Hey,
Your Highness, we are from Idani Secondary School. We are here in respect of the promise you made to us to rebuild our school.
Turn around. Turn around. Are you deaf? I mean, you should turn around. Turn around. Wow. Young lady, do you know you are very, very beautiful? I want to ask you this question. When was the last time you were effectively, adequately serviced? Because from what I'm seeing here, I'm seeing somebody that walk and walk without, servicing herself. And I tell you this, all walks are no play. It's not good for your health. Huh?
No, why are you taking me to? No, Your Highness.
You will like it.
No. Your Highness. No. Stop. Stop me.
Oh well. Hey, what an encounter. What a sweet encounter. I enjoy every bit of it. Why did the woman have you? It's too much different. This is good. This is good.
Leave me alone. Leave me alone.
Easy. Take it easy with that.
What do you want from me? Haven't you done enough? Your Highness, leave me alone.
It's okay. I want you to understand something. Everyone has a luaka, never one luaka, near or one and the other. Everything about you is so sweet. It can live so. I enjoy everything about you. No, don't say things like that. You are a sweet woman. I I love. You know what? Let me tell you the truth. Ever since I started having encounter with women sexually, I have never wandered in the forest as bushy as here.
You're a beast!
Shut up! No, but I love it. I enjoyed it. It's wonderful. It's experience every man would like to have. I love it. I don't want to tell you something. You reminded me of the promise I made to the school. Don't worry, it will be fulfilled. Oh, I will do all of that. I will do more. Yes, I will do all of that. I will do more. Okay.
You don't need your promise.
No, you need it. Your school need it. But I want you to, it is not that I'm forcing you, but I want you to understand something. I just will go it will ginger me to the, follow up with the promise.
You are heartless.
So what are you still saying? That you will not do it?
Let me go.
Take I said.
No. Let me go. Let me go.
Take I said.
Hey.
Ajilija's lipidonal problem has grown from bad to worst. Can you imagine? He raped the student and the supervisor. They went to his palace to remind him of the promise he made to their school.
But what do you expect from a man that cut off his wife's leg and ordered the guards to remove the eye of another?
That man is cursed.
Let me start going, before his guards will come and abduct me.
Doctor, thank you very much.
You're welcome, my lord.
I am so glad that I do not have any form of disability.
You're welcome, my lord. But if I may ask, what are the cabinet members doing about this King Ajilija's inhuman treatment?
Doctor, they are all praise singers.
Yes.
Well, my lord, you have to rest and sleep, so that you will leave this hospital soon.
I wish I could stay here. I'm not having to go back to that palace into captivity. I don't want to go back. It's okay.
You have to rest for now.
It's okay.
It's okay.
Our Lord, Urema.
Yeah, she's fine. At least she's out of coma now.
May our ancestors be praised.
Ife, my wife has just been kidnapped.
What?
Yes.
Wait here.
Ajeleja, Ochubo, Ajeleja, Memo, Ojabo, Iyobo, Ajeleja. Heza Ajeleja, Ajala Ajeleja, Heza Ajeleja, Ajala Ajeleja.
Have you seen what you've done to yourself? Have you seen it? You are now at my service. Whatever I want from you, I get. However I want it, I get. Whenever I get. I don't know what is wrong with you. You are sitting watching Ajeleja. I am Ajeleja. A man that gets whatever he wants. Next time you hear that name, Ajeleja, you surrender with all your life. If Ajeleja, Ajeleja, if
Don't touch me. You stink. Don't dare me.
Oh? That I stink? Yeah, aha. Okay, you said that I stink. Okay. Ngesi sagisi welo ntegi. Welanda wili mi ono isia. Ngesi sagisi. Bosa! This thing here said that your king is smelling, that I stink. Nane sisi. Bosa! Sisi isi go office nanya. Yes, sisi isi. What is the meaning of this? What is the meaning of this?
The hawk cannot carry a duckling. The hare that carries a stone carries a stone. But the hare that does not carry a stone will break the neck in order to attempt carrying a stone. I am awake. The rat cannot eat anything when the owner is awake.
Iga fuebo keneli ifonye mwanya. Iga mwanya okeli etake. Abodi mururani okeli etake. Iga fuebo. How dare you, Mr. Man? Stand before me. Do you know you are talking to Ajeleja? Who sent you? How dare you stand before me and say such stupid words? Now listen to me. You can fly like bird, like cockroach, like anything. If I want to fly, I fly. It's nothing to me. It's a little charm. Now listen to me. If you don't get out of my sight, you will see my wrath.
Leave her alone.
How dare you use such one order? How dare you order me? You know what you're saying?
I warn you for the very last time. Do not cross my path. So let her go.
Boza! Looking at that, you can see she's a beautiful child. What I want you to do now is this. Take her to my chambers. Let me feel her. Let me have carnal knowledge of her before I know what next to unleash on her. Take her to my chambers. Boza! Boza! Attack! 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 Have you seen what you've done to yourself? Have you seen it? You are now at my service. Whatever I want from you, I get. However I want it, I get. Whenever I get. I don't know what is wrong with you. You are sitting watching Ajaleja. I am Ajaleja. A man that gets whatever he wants. Next time you hear that name, Ajaleja, you surrender with all your life. If Ajaleja,
Don't touch me. You stink. Don't dare me.
Oh? That I stink? Ah, okay, you said that I stink. Okay. Bossa! This thing here said that your king is smelling, that I stink. Bossa! Sisi isi go office nanya. Yes, Sisi. What is the meaning of this? What is the meaning of this?
The hawk cannot carry a duckling. The hair that carries a stone carries a stone. But the hair that does not carry a stone will break the neck in order to attempt carrying a stone. I am awake. The rat cannot eat anything when the owner is awake.
Iga fuebo keneli ifonye mwanya. Iga mwanya okelie itake. Aboni mururani okelie bitone. Iga mwanya. How dare you, stand before me? You know you are talking to Ajaleja. Who sent you? How dare you stand before me and say such stupid words? Now listen to me. You can fly like bird, like cockroach, like anything. If I want to fly, I fly. It's nothing to me. It's a little charm. Now listen to me. If you don't get out of my sight, you will see my wrath.
Leave her alone.
How dare you use such one order? How dare you order me? You know what you're saying?
I warn you for the very last time. Do not cross my path. So let her go.
Bossa! Looking at her, you can see she's a beautiful child. What I want you to do now is this. Take her to my chambers. Let me feel her. Let me have carnal knowledge of her before I know what next to unleash on her. Take her to my chambers. Bossa! Bossa! Attack! 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 Attack!
Hey, get this here.
Your wife was on the back.
How? Hey. Hey! Nah. Hey, go. Hey! Oh. What happened?
Ife saved my life today.
Hey,
she saved me.
Sit down. Hey. Are you alright? Eh?
I'm fine.
You're not hurt in any way. You may lie.
No, I'm okay.
Are you sure? Yeah? What happened to you?
It's not that wicked man.
Hey! Oh, Ajilija! And Agaja, it will never be well with you. Hey!
So, the almighty Ajilija can be afraid. Hey! Look at him shaking like a leaf before the wind.
Please, tell me what happened and who is this girl in question?
My dear, I heard that His Highness wanted to convert Izuma. There and then, a bird landed and transformed into a child. According to Bosa, the child is so powerful. And I believed him. Because anyone who can make Ajilija run for his dear life, indeed is powerful. My dear, let me go before he catches us, because of my head.
I've searched everywhere, Your Highness. She's nowhere to be found.
You mean you did not see her?
I couldn't see her, Your Highness.
That little girl, that cockroach! How many people did you say she killed?
She killed 5 guards.
Huh? You mean she killed all those guards?
Yes, Your Highness.
Hi! Just look at you. Shameless fool. Standing before me, telling me that you couldn't catch a little girl. You are a disgrace. You are nothing but a fool. Oh, but I said you take me right now. What is he here now for? You are a fool. Get out of my sight, you fool.
Mbadiaga! How can you abandon me? This crossroad in people. How can you allow a little girl, a cockroach? Disgrace me. Ipitomu. Emekwanu memegogi. Mbadiaga binyenu n'ike na-ebube. Mbadiaga binyenu n'ike na-ebube. Mbadiaga inazi aku. Mbadiaga, you are not answering me. You are not answering me. Hey! Aluemeno.
What actually happened? I heard that people were dying and falling down. Those men, they brought a woman and a strange girl came out from nowhere like a bird and started killing everybody.
Hey! Are you serious?
I'm serious.
Since I was born, I've never heard such thing before. I've not. Come, let's go.
I heard the daughter of the late chief priest went to the palace and killed 5 guards. 5 guards.
Ife?
Yes.
She killed 5 guards. That means Adreja will feed her meat to the best of the air.
I heard he was there and couldn't do anything. He ran for his dear life.
That's not possible.
Such thing can never happen in Adreja's presence. Do you know how many DBS he has destroyed?
Are you saying the people that witnessed it are all liars?
See, I'm not saying that Ife is not powerful, but such thing can never happen in Adreja's presence. I'm going. Please.
Ife, we are going to, and it's better you pocket your tongue in your mouth.
Yes?
Papa.
Yes. Izuma, what is your problem? What are you doing here? How many times will I warn you? Never to leave the palace unless I summon you? Ajeleja is a very dangerous man. You don't toy with him.
Papa, I know. But the abnormal brought me here.
What do you mean by the abnormal brought you here? By the way, when were you released from the palace cell?
Papa.
Yes?
I came back. My fellow maiden told me that 5 men, palace guard, were killed. A little girl came out from nowhere and killed all of them. Papa, the almighty Ajirija has been humbled. He has since locked himself in his secret chamber.
Hey! It's a good news. There is something good in the news. Just go back to the palace. Go before they find out about your absence. Go! Okay, we'll make the soup. Look at the boy which other one make the soup. Almighty Ajeleja has been humbled. But then, who is that child?
Heza Ajeleja, Ajeleja, Ajala Ajeleja, Ajeleja. Heza Ajeleja, Ajeleja, Ajala Ajeleja, Ajeleja. Ochubo, Ochubo, Ajeleja, Mebo, Mebo, Ajeleja. Ojabo, Ojabo, Iyobo, Ajeleja. Ochubo, Ochubo, Ajeleja, Mebo, Mebo, Ajeleja. Ojabo, Ojabo, Iyobo, Ajeleja. Heza Ajeleja, Ajeleja, Ajala Ajeleja, Ajeleja. Heza Ajeleja, Ajeleja, Ajala Ajeleja, Ajeleja. Ochubo, Ochubo, Ajeleja, Mebo, Mebo, Ajeleja. Ojabo, Ojabo, Iyobo, Ajeleja. Ochubo, Ochubo, Ajeleja, Mebo, Mebo, Ajeleja. Ojabo, Ojabo, Iyobo, Ajeleja. Heza Ajeleja, Ajeleja, Ajala Ajeleja, Ajeleja. Heza Ajeleja, Ajeleja, Ajala Ajeleja, Ajeleja. Ochubo, Ochubo, Ajeleja, Mebo, Mebo, Ajeleja. Ojabo, Ojabo, Iyobo, Ajeleja. Ochubo, Ochubo, Ajeleja, Mebo, Mebo, Ajeleja. Ojabo, Ojabo, Iyobo, Ajeleja. Heza Ajeleja, Ajeleja, Ajala Ajeleja, Ajeleja. Heza Ajeleja, Ajeleja, Ajala Ajeleja, Ajeleja.
Our people have been humiliated. 5 people from the royal palace dead. Dead! Royal man.
Igwe, if we see in the annals of a kid goat what is not seen in the mothers, it becomes an abomination.
Yes.
Igwe, this kind of a thing has never been registered in this kingdom since inception. Tell us, how did it happen?
The king saw what he desired, and I went for it. And an invader, and an invader came all out and slaughtered my people.
What might have the king seen that brought such calamity upon us? And who were the invaders?
Yes. Yes, Igwe. Explain your riddles. Make it plain.
I saw a tantalizing beauty that is highly captivating. that is capable of giving a man with one eye. That is the kind of beauty I am talking about. The kind of beauty I want to use to beautify the palace, to enrich our palace. That was exactly what I was working towards, and the resultant effect was this.
Igwe, I have both advised and warned you, both overtly and covertly, to reduce your lust on women. But you are bent on destroying this kingdom. On that, the earlier you retrace your steps, the better for us.
Oh no. Oh no, how dare you? Who asked you to speak? Don't tell me such nonsense. Inayala!
Igwe, aso kateze anya umona ebulu. Ebulu kana Igwe Igwe, you must cleanse this palace that you have desecrated with the blood of the innocent. Yes! This is the same reason you killed our chief priest and sent the pregnant wife on exile. Because of your lust upon women. This is how we have lost 5 souls upon your lust. Alo, Igwe, alo.
Come to see Aloa. Goga. Now, why are you running? I am trying to make my palace a unique one. I am trying to fill the palace with beautiful women. Is it not a great thing to be distinguished among all with beautiful women? And now you people have the right to challenge me.
My dear elders, let us go home. Let's go to our houses. After all, we have houses in our homes.
Yes, now.
We have houses. We have
houses.
nothing.
Nothing.
Angelija chased us out of his throne room. He will come for us.
Yes,
He will come
sure.
for us.
And I
He will come
support
for
what
us.
you said.
Hey,
Let us
now,
go.
What is it? Just what is it? How will you do that?
Your Highness, we did as he instructed.
Dikeh!
Your Highness.
You are one of my problems.
Me, Dikeh.
Both of you are disgusting. I will kill one of you. Both of you are cheap prostitutes. You are one of my biggest problems. Here, water. Hey!
What is wrong with that? What is wrong with this mad king? Hi. Yeah? He buried the 5 people, including Elolo, without a consultation. His excesses are gone unto God. Yes!
My brothers, whom the gods want to destroy, they first make mad.
Situations like this readily reminds one of our kingdom deficiency of not having a chief priest who will hear the mind of the gods and relate to us what the next line of action ought to be.
But we won't give up.
But
we will lose.
No, we are not going to give up.
We must move forward. Let us go home and make consultations. Let us go home. We won't give up. Hey!
We are not strangers here in Omongo, as people think. We belong here. You have grown. You have grown so much. And all the things your father said about you, they've all come to fulfillment. You're crying. You're crying. Stop crying. Why are you crying?
Mama, I know that you will soon be joining our ancestors.
Please, don't tell anybody now. You can do that. You can do it later. Don't tell him.
Mother told me the story.
It was really horrible. But the gods were with Mother. And we are here today.
The Omogo cabinet members will be meeting today again. I will be at that meeting to straighten things out for them. I will then assume my position as the priestess of this land.
No longer in doubt that Adonijah has run mad.
A madman cannot be king in Omongo.
He can't, that is true. He can't.
What do we do? He has no son. The issues are so complicated.
You people were doubtful when I accused Ajilija of ordering the execution of I went to consult him. I was there when he died, but I came in few minutes late.
Hey! Eh? Hey! Ugo! Ha! Ha! Ha!
Ajilija owes us explanation. Explanation on why he ordered the execution of Zemugonecha. So.
Save your life. Do not go to Ajilija and tell nobody about this. Till the gods are ready to avenge my death.
How can I a titled man in Umungu covered such heinous acts? When will this right time be?
When the king becomes hysterical and starts behaving like a madman, know that the time has come.
No time is better than now. The king is mad now.
It's very obvious. Yeah, it's clear. It's true.
That's true. There is no king who is sane enough that would have driven us away like he did
Yes.
to us yesterday.
Yes, now.
Calm down, Ini Edo. Sit down. I greet you all. My name is Ife Oguniche, the last child of Ezemo Oguniche, whom Ajilija murdered in cold blood. I was forced to visit the palace yesterday and left a trail, not of vengeance, but of the wages of sins to Ajilija. He must pay for all the atrocities he committed.
Yes.
I have come to clear the air for you and to let you know that you are on the right track.
Thank you, my daughter and our sister.
Yes.
Thank you at least for vindicating me, because they doubted me when I told them years back that it was Ajilija who ordered the execution of Ezemo.
I see beyond my immediate environment by the aid of Okuku, which my father left for me. It was through it that I saw you in this meeting, and I decided to come to do the necessary things.
See, I've had enough brutality and violence from the king. That's why I'm doing this. If you're caught, you're on your own. She's in my room. It's okay. Let's go.
Urema, we heard you were sick and just discharged from the clinic. We are here to see how you are doing. What happened?
Auntie, I was not sick. Ajilija tried to kill me. Jesus. But he just pushed me to the floor and I passed out. I spent a few days in the hospital. Izuma said I spent well over a week. But I'm okay now. Since I've been back, there's been trouble everywhere. The king
Mgbe na-achụ o nwere ka nwa agụ ga-ezirapụzi ya anụ nna ya na-ata n'ọbara ọ na-aṅụjetawa afịa mbanụ nwa agụ ya na-ata anụ na-aṅụ ọbara ọ ga-esi wee mmiri ya otu a ga-esi ka ya ka ọ ga-esite n'ụwa. That is how it should be. Ọ ga-esi akwụ n'igwe nwa ma ebuliri ya kwụ onye bụ igwe bụ igwe. You are a suspect. You are nothing but a suspect. That you are a suspect. Why are you staring at me like that?
Your Highness, I'm not staring at you.
You are not staring at me. That simply means that I am a liar. That's what it means. But conclude. 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 Bend down. Let me tell you something. You made me to understand that you are not staring at me, that I'm not doing what. Come and get out of my sight! Suspect! I take it out! My son, don't be afraid. You are favored. You are highly favored. You are a good son. I can see it all over you. Mama, bakolo mama. Well, one more. You're a good mother. I will appreciate your good attitude today, good character. Sit down. Sit down. I want to dine with you. Come on, sit down. No. As I want to go to Aka, Ozulu, or Yanalin, sit down and make this problem. The way I am looking at you, I feel that something is telling me to make you know what to do. No. You are too small to be alone. You are too small to be alone. You will not be alone. I will make you the head of the doctor. Again, I'm Madiaga! The great gods of the mountain. All things in them make a name. Ego balagum. Eta no atagum. Emegumia. Isikum. So shall it be. Mago! Yana Eliano na ngo balaniana. Matabasi Africa. Mbang. Madiaga na boji. Onwe gizi atanke. Wana sunile. Wana mbeko isiso amuna. Muna inebeka ine ilika isi choili. Manambo manambado. I eat this cola nut. As I eat it, you have eaten. Madiaga. The gods of the mountain. I'm not getting up. Madiaga. Who is playing this music? Who's playing the music? Who is playing it?
I'm not hearing any music.
You're not hearing any music. Are you deaf and dumb? Like you're not hearing this loud music? Hey!
can come. No more is okay. At the time. Are you getting it? Beautiful. I'm going to only look in their name. I'm going to only look in their name. That's not too much. What a mistake! I'm a chicken does not mean I cannot die this kind of meat. Oh my God! Look at my wife. So you people can dance like this. Wonderful. Beautiful. Have you ever seen them dance like this? Listen, look at it. Look at it when they're shaking your bum. I'm going crazy. Wonderful. Like this. Good. So one of you can dance like this. Are you not been dancing for me? You movie pretending.
When money no day, I say when money no day, I love you.
Look at it now! Don't watch my wife. Like that, don't watch me. Beautiful, love. What a dance. What a dance. Come on, close your eyes. You're watching their mom. They are buttocks. Look at it. But you people don't even shake these buttocks like this when we are walking. Hey, good. Hey. Okay, let's do it like this, yeah? Because after, I would like you people to give me this same step on that occasion. Okay? Oh, you people have gladdened my heart. You two of you have gladdened my heart. And I promise I'm going to take you to the highest height. Good dancers!
When money not there, them they carry me play. When money not there, everybody run away.
That's right. Oh my God! Look at the Bobo! Stop looking at my wife, Bobo! Stop looking at my wife, Bobo! Stop it! I don't like it! Okay, enjoy, watch, no problem. They're dancing around me. Good! Beautiful dancer! So both of you can dance like this and you'll be denying me this! What a world! The world is mine! The world is mine! Okay, wait now. Wait. I want you to do something. Because that occasion is going to be on. What you people are going to do now, trust me. Teach me your style. Then you teach me your style. I want that day, I want that different style. My own style. Your style, I have style. That's let me see. Teach me, That's the wonderful Wagalaba. I want Ekwizaga. Ekwizaga. Hey! Don't want to say my way. Teach me your way. Let it not be the same style. This one will be different style so that I will join this. I have 3 styles that day.
If you get the money, make you spend them, go die. Oh, you make good on no one for my sister. Once in a while, we supposed to get jolly. Young Kulu dance my sherry. When money no day, everybody above us.
This man, you will not kill me. This woman, you will not kill me. Do you know I never knew these women can dance like this? If I want it,
I can't see anything, to be honest.
You are an idiot. Are you? What kind of blindness is this? That you're not the people that were dancing in front of us for you here. Hey! What kind of thing is this? I've warned you. I warned you and I warned you that you should take it easy in shedding of blood. Now, the blood you've wasted has covered the eyes that you cannot see again. Look at simple thing anybody can see. You cannot see Take it easy, kill it. Yes, I tell you to kill, but don't kill too much. Don't kill too much. That is lesson number 1. Lesson number 1 for you. You kill anyhow. Idiot. Killer. And you. Did you enjoy the dance? Oh, what a fool you are. Then look how they look at me. Just look at you. Look at you. Keep out because I refuse to be useful to yourself. That you cannot see. I saw you watching the photos of my wife. Now you are telling me you cannot see them. So that I will not be angry with you. I give you women to use. Here on a policy, enjoy yourself. I enjoy myself. Idiot. You never me looking at me. Rise up for me, let me show you. Obala, shedding of too much blood is not good. And you think, okay, you want me to be begging you? No. You want me to be begging you? No. Please. Okay, now, open up and let me in. Open up and let me in. Bogelo be a company. When I can't follow them. You wake up and look. Boy. You again? What are you people waiting for? Attack her! Attack her! Hey! You little murderer! You murderer! You bloodsucker,
You are the murderer. And that's why you are mad. You murdered my father.
Now leave here or I will murder you too. Leave here or I will murder you too. You want to try me? You want to try my patience? You want to try who I am? Okay, I will show you the style you've never seen in your life. Every man game and go to. Let me show you the type of person. Now, you think you have power. You have power. I will show you the type you've never seen in your life. Let's go again, Bruno. Go with it.
You men, step forward. Now, take this man's books. Get him to spend the rest of his life.
ajele ọjàbọ̀ ọjàbọ̀ iyobo ajeleja ọ̀chùbọ̀ ọ̀chùbọ̀ ajeleja mẹ́mú mẹ́mú ajele ọjàbọ̀ ọjàbọ̀ iyobo ajeleja Heza ajeleja ajeleja ajala ajeleja ajeleja Heza ajeleja ajeleja ajala ajeleja ajeleja ọ̀chùbọ̀ ọ̀chùbọ̀ ajeleja mẹ́mú mẹ́mú ajele ọjàbọ̀ ọjàbọ̀ iyobo ajeleja ọ̀chùbọ̀ ọ̀chùbọ̀ ajeleja mẹ́mú mẹ́mú ajele ọjàbọ̀ ọjàbọ̀ iyobo ajeleja Heza ajeleja ajeleja ajala ajeleja ajeleja Heza ajeleja ajeleja ajala ajeleja ajeleja ọ̀chùbọ̀ ọ̀chùbọ̀ ajeleja mẹ́mú mẹ́mú ajele ọjàbọ̀ ọjàbọ̀ iyobo ajeleja ọ̀chùbọ̀ ọ̀chùbọ̀ ajeleja mẹ́mú mẹ́mú ajele ọjàbọ̀ ọjàbọ̀ iyobo ajeleja Heza ajeleja ajeleja ajala ajeleja ajeleja Heza ajeleja ajeleja ajala ajeleja ajeleja ọ̀chùbọ̀ ọ̀chùbọ̀ ajeleja mẹ́mú mẹ́mú ajele ọjàbọ̀ ọjàbọ̀ iyobo ajeleja ọ̀chùbọ̀ ọ̀chùbọ̀ ajeleja mẹ́mú mẹ́mú ajele ọjàbọ̀ ọjàbọ̀ iyobo ajeleja Heza ajeleja ajeleja ajala ajeleja ajeleja Heza ajeleja ajeleja ajala ajeleja ajeleja ọ̀chùbọ̀ ọ̀chùbọ̀ ajeleja mẹ́mú mẹ́mú ajele ọjàbọ̀ ọjàbọ̀ iyobo ajeleja ọ̀chùbọ̀ ọ̀chùbọ̀ ajeleja mẹ́mú mẹ́mú ajele ọjàbọ̀ ọjàbọ̀ iyobo ajeleja Heza ajeleja ajeleja ajala ajeleja ajeleja Heza ajeleja ajeleja ajala ajeleja ajeleja ọ̀chùbọ̀ ọ̀chùbọ̀ ajeleja mẹ́mú mẹ́mú ajele ọjàbọ̀ ọjàbọ̀ iyobo ajeleja ọ̀chùbọ̀ ọ̀chùbọ̀ ajeleja mẹ́mú mẹ́mú ajele ọjàbọ̀ ọjàbọ̀ iyobo ajeleja Heza ajeleja ajeleja ajala ajeleja ajeleja Heza ajeleja ajeleja ajala ajeleja ajeleja ọ̀chùbọ̀ ọ̀chùbọ̀ ajeleja mẹ́mú mẹ́mú ajele ọjàbọ̀ ọjàbọ̀ iyobo ajeleja ọ̀chùbọ̀ ọ̀chùbọ̀ ajeleja mẹ́mú mẹ́mú ajele ọjàbọ̀ ọjàbọ̀ iyobo ajeleja Heza ajeleja ajeleja ajala ajeleja ajeleja Heza ajeleja ajeleja ajala ajeleja ajeleja ọ̀chùbọ̀ ọ̀chùbọ̀ ajeleja mẹ́mú mẹ́mú ajele ọjàbọ̀ ọjàbọ̀ iyobo ajeleja ọ̀chùbọ̀ ọ̀chùbọ̀ ajeleja mẹ́mú mẹ́mú ajele ọjàbọ̀ ọjàbọ̀ iyobo ajeleja Heza ajeleja ajeleja ajala ajeleja ajeleja Heza ajeleja ajeleja ajala ajeleja ajeleja ọ̀chùbọ̀ ọ̀chùbọ̀ ajeleja mẹ́mú mẹ́mú ajele ọjàbọ̀ ọjàbọ̀ iyobo ajeleja ọ̀chùbọ̀ ọ̀chùbọ̀ ajeleja mẹ́mú mẹ́mú ajele ọjàbọ̀ ọjàbọ̀ iyobo ajeleja Heza ajeleja ajeleja ajala ajeleja ajeleja Heza ajeleja ajeleja ajala ajeleja ajeleja ọ̀chùbọ̀ ọ̀chùbọ̀ ajeleja mẹ́mú mẹ́mú ajele ọjàbọ̀ ọjàbọ̀ iyobo ajeleja ọ̀chùbọ̀ ọ̀chùbọ̀ ajeleja mẹ́mú mẹ́mú ajele ọjàbọ̀ ọjàbọ̀ iyobo ajeleja Eza Ajelija, Ajelija, Jala Jelija, Ajelija. Eza Ajelija, Ajelija, Jala Jelija, Ajelija. Ochubo, Ochubo, Ajelija, Memo, Ajelija. Ojabo, Ojabo, Iyobo, Ajelija. Ochubo, Ochubo, Ajelija, Memo, Ajelija. Ojabo, Ojabo, Iyobo, Ajelija. Eza Ajelija, Ajelija, Jala Jelija, Ajelija. Eza Ajelija, Ajelija, Jala Jelija, Ajelija. Ochubo, Ochubo, Ajelija, Memo, Ajelija. Ojabo, Ojabo, Iyobo, Ajelija. Ochubo, Ochubo, Ajelija, Memo, Ajelija. Ojabo, Ojabo, Iyobo, Ajelija. Eza Ajelija, Ajelija, Jala Jelija, Ajelija. Eza Ajelija, Ajelija, Jala Jelija, Ajelija.